this video, we're going to simplify the expression 3m to the 8th n to the 12th over m squared n cubed, and the whole denominator is cubed. As we simplify using our exponent properties, we'll keep in mind order of operations as a guide to help us arrive at the correct final answer. Quite often with exponent properties, the order is a little bit flexible, but order of operations is guaranteed to get us to the final answer correctly. Order of operations tells us to first start inside parentheses. However, in these parentheses, there's nothing we can simplify. So let's move on to the exponent or power rules. The power rules say if we have an exponent outside of parentheses, it can go on to each factor inside the parentheses. As we do this, we will multiply the exponents. In the denominator, we have m to the 2 times 3, or 6, n to the 3 times 3, or 9. The numerator is still 3m to the 8th n to the 12th. After using the exponents, order of operations tells us to move on to multiplying and dividing. Here we are dividing, and we know that when dividing a base like m to the 8th and m to the 6th, the quotient rule asks us to subtract the exponents. The 3 has nothing to reduce with it, but on the m's, we have 8 m's, with 6 of them dividing out. 8 minus 6 leaves 2 behind. On the n's, 12 minus 9 leaves 3 behind. And we have our final solution, 3m squared n cubed. We arrived at our solution by deciding which exponent rule to apply by keeping in mind order of operations as a guide.